Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2008 Toyota Prado VX. Stock reference number 4058. This shape runs from the 2nd month 2003 through to the 10th month 2009. It has a 1KD, 3-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic 4-wheel drive transmission. 1KD, 3-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. It's fitted with factory 17-inch alloy mags. Left front has a good tyre. Left guard appears to have no damage. Flared type. Chrome door mirror, left-hand side. Power. Both left-hand doors appear to have no damage. Left-hand side step. Supplied with all bolts brackets in a pair. Left rear, 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left tail light. Tailgate appears to have no damage. We've got the hard wheel spec wheel cover. Factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom and module. Rear bumper bar, Leicester park sensors. Right hand tail light. Right rear, 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right hand side step, soldered to pair with all bolts and brackets. Both right hand doors appear to have no damage. Right power door mirror in chrome. And a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim. Power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with tan leather interior. It's got a brown center console lid, automatic type console, 4-wheel drive, automatic gear shifter, transfer shifter, climate control, heater controls with rear control, TomTom navigation, CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, both cloth type. Instrument cluster and all rear headrests including 3rd row. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.